Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and happy Tablescape Tuesday, our weekly open playlist. Hosted by the ladies of Elegance, and that is myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. Well, did you see the preview at the beginning? Today's tablescape is blue and rust, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. So do me a favor, sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this tablescape together. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you all about the items that I've used. So now let me tell you about all the items I've used today. The napkins, flatware, and glassware were all thrift finds that I found on my road trip to Maryland. From the at-home store, I got those gorgeous marble coasters with the gold edge and a bag of white pumpkins. I believe that was last year, or it might have been the year before. The wood candle holders and gold woven placemats I got in the clearance section of Home Goods. And all the other items on my table today are from Dollar Tree, including my DIY pumpkin wreath and DIY Easter eggs turned acorns. So that makes this beautiful tablescape budget-friendly and easy to recreate at your home. And I hope you're inspired to do just that. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And to all of my fellow YouTube creators, remember Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply upload your video using our hashtag TablescapeTuesdays22. Sophisticated Saturdays is every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. Create a DIY or decorate any area of your home in an elegant, sophisticated manner and use our hashtag Sophisticated Saturdays. The ladies of Elegance thank you so much for your support. And until next time.